Welcome children, this is your social class, the continuation of chapter 1, that is the festival we celebrate. Chapter 1, the festival we celebrate. The previous classes we are already discussed what is national festival and what is religious festival and which are the national festival. That is we are already discussed Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Today we are going to learn about the importance of religious festival. Which are the religious festival? Okay, the first one is Holi. The Holi is, we are already heard that name, we are already studied the previous classes. Holi is the festival of colors. It's the small classes we have studied that, isn't it? What is Holi? Holi is the festival of colors and it is celebrated in March. Which month we are celebrating? Celebrated in March. People throw color powders, then that color powder called gulal and splash water on another. So that is the Holi day. How we are celebrating every March month we are celebrating Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. So that day we are using color powder and spread that maybe you are seeing that color water also storing one gun. So that everything we are celebrating that Holi day. Okay, so one of the festival is Holi and the second festival is Dasra festival. So Dasra also called Vijayadashami. So Dasra, the another name is called Vijayadashami. Celebrate on victory of God, good over evil. Okay, evil ne നശിപ്പിച്ച് അതിനെ വിജയം വരിച്ചത് നന്മയ്ക്ക് തിന്മയെ അവസാനിപ്പിച്ച് നന്മയ്ക്ക് മുന്നോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുവന്നു എന്നുള്ള ഒരു രീതിയിലാണ് നമ്മൾ ഏത് സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് വിജയദശമി ആൻഡ് രാംലീല is performed during Dasra. Ramleela is performed that Dasra festival and at this time Durga Puja or Navratri also celebrated in some states. Okay, so during this same time some another states they are celebrating Navratri and Durga Puja. Okay, so this everything is same festival. So some states another states are celebrating Navratri and Durga Puja. Okay, the next one is Diwali. So Diwali is the festival of lights. That's also you are studying small classes. Diwali is celebrating the festival of lights. So Diwali means the row of lights. It is the festival of lights. It's celebrated on October or November. October or November, this month they are celebrating festival that is Diwali. Okay, and what happened, how they are decorating their houses and all. People decorate their houses to full of lighting, then candles, lights. This way they are decorating their houses and some people's their entrance, house of the entrance, they are making rangolis, using color powder. They are making colorful rangolis also. So this everything is doing which festival? That is Diwali festival. Okay, the another one is Guru Purab festival. So Guru Purab is celebrate to honor and remember the 10 Sikh Gurus. 10 Sikh Gurus, remember we are celebrating Guru Purab and at that day we are held prayer and longer and held in Gurudwaras on this day. Okay, so another festival is Guru Purab. The another important one is Eid festival, Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr or Eid ul Adha are celebrate. The two main Eids that people, the mainly they are celebrating Muslim peoples, they are celebrating two important festival, that is Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Zuha. Okay, this is two festival. So this day what happening, how they are celebrating? During this day the peoples are going to mosque and doing their prayer. Okay, they are going to mosque and doing their prayer and after that Eid namaz. Eid Namas means prayer. Also they are doing, and their peoples are wish to each other, their wish to each other, and Eid Mubarak. How they are wish to each other? Eid Mubarak. You are also some maybe you also heard that and all. Eid Mubarak. They are wish to each other. Eid Mubarak. And important food items they are also making their homes. Which are they? Sweet dish is prepared Eid al-Fitr that day, and most in our days the mostly the Bakrid day, Eid al-Fitr day, what food item we are making? Yes, that is chicken biryani, isn't it, children? Yes. So, and also people give the cash also, their happiness, they are exchange the gift, and also their very colorful dresses also during that day. Okay, children, that is Eid al-Fitr and Eid. And the next one is Christmas. So Christmas we are celebrating every December 25th. Why we are celebrating is the birthday of Jesus Christ, and the people put, how they are celebrating, people put and Christmas trees and decorating Christmas trees and hanging the stars, colorful lightning stars, and they are exchanging the Christmas gift. This way they are celebrating their festival. And what happened after that? They are doing the special prayers in their church. Okay, so this way we are celebrating Christmas also. So you can see people talk about one of the picture, procession, that is Gurupurab. Gurupurab day the peoples are doing the procession. So this festival is most of the peoples are doing another states, that means Karnataka, Gujarat, these states they are celebrating this festival. Okay, the another one is Buddha Purnima. So Buddha Purnima, the birthday of Gautam Buddha is celebrated in Buddha Purnima. And another one is Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti is the birthday of Lord Mahavira. Okay, this two is very important. Why we are celebrating Mahavir Jayanti and Buddha Purnima? Buddha Purnima is celebrating the birthday of Gautam Buddha, and Mahavir Jayanti is celebrating the birthday of Lord Mahavira. And you can see one of the table in your textbook. Okay, everybody take out your textbook. This table, the table is very important. Which are the another important festivals? Okay, so the first one is Pongal. It is harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It's celebrating 4 days in January. Okay, so this is the importance of, and the people make kolam. Kolam means also one of the design, kolam to decorate their houses. Also this festival doing Pongal. Okay, another one is Basant Panchami. So Basant Panchami, it's beginnings of spring. And also Saraswati, the god of learning, and its worship of this day, and the people wear yellow clothes and all. Okay, this festival also celebrating, important is that. The third one is Navroz. Navroz is the festival of Parsis. Parsis, the another one of the religion is that Parsi religious. The Parsi, their new year, they are celebrating new year is that. Okay, avരുടെ പുതിയ വർഷമാണത്. New year is that is Navroz. It's a spring festival celebrated 21st March. Okay, so that is in 21st March they are celebrating this festival. Then Bihu festival. It's a harvest festival of Assam. It's a harvest festival. Assamiലുള്ള ആളുകളുടെ harvest festival ആണ് ഇത് Bihu, that we are already studied the previous classes, isn't it, children? So Bihu festival is the harvest festival of Assam people, and celebrated 3 times in a year, and music, dance, everything they are including their celebration. Okay, then next one is Raksha Bandhan. That day they are using Rakis and also Rakshas. They are tie the Rakshas and all. That means on this day sisters tie Rakshas or threads on their brothers. Okay, അവരുടെ സിസ്റ്ററും ബ്രദേഴ്സിനും അവരെന്ത് കെട്ടിക്കൊടുക്കും? രാഖീസ് അവർ കെട്ടിക്കൊടുക്കും. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് രക്ഷബന്ധൻ. ഓക്കെ, the next one is Onam. The Onam is a harvest festival of in Kerala. It's a it's beautifully decorating elephant and most of the feasts, and called that day we are making Ona Sadhya and everything, and we are making Pookalam, everything we are doing. So that is Onam celebration. It's a harvest festival of Kerala. Next is Teachers Day. Teachers Day we are celebrating 5th September. 5th September we are celebrating Teachers Day, and it's the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, he is the second president of India. Okay, so 5th September we are celebrating Teachers Day. And the last one is Children's Day. Children's Day we are already, you have already know that. Children's Day we are celebrating 14th November, the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. So the first Prime Minister of India. So who's the first Prime Minister of India? That is Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, so every children are calling, or every students are calling Chachaji. So these are the important another festivals. Okay children, so look at your textbook. The match the columns, you can see Gandhi Jayanti is the answer, Rajgarh. Dasra, Ramleela. Eid ul Fitr is Swain. Fourth one, Onam is Kerala. Navraz is Parsi New Year. Okay, and true or false also in your textbook. We celebrate Independence Day on 26th January. Is it true or false? It's a false. When we are celebrating Independence Day? 15th August. Second, people play with colors on Diwali. No, it's a false. No, Diwali day, it's a festival of light. Third one, on 25th December people celebrate Christmas. It's true. Fourth one, Bihu is celebrated 3 times in a year. That is also true. Fifth one, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was fondly called Chacha Nehru by children. No, it's a wrong. Who's that? Who's that? That is our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. So the people are calling Chachaji. And the question answers also is there. Why do we celebrate national festival? So tell me why we are celebrating national festival. So national festival is remember some important events. That's why we are celebrating national festival. Second one is, how is Republic Day celebrated in the capital of India? So that is on the blackboard children. So 26th of January we are celebrating Republic Day. President hoists national flag at Rajpath. Then armed forces, police, they are making parade. Folk dancers, school children are doing the cultural program. The last to given bravery award also in this during Republic Day. Okay. Third one, why do we celebrate Independence Day? Why we are celebrating Independence Day? That is also, look at the blackboard. 15th August we are celebrating Independence Day, and Prime Minister holds the national flag. Okay, this is the answer. And fourth and fifth question also is there. How do people celebrate Holi? Holi is the festival of colors. And what do people do during Christmas? How they are celebrating Christmas? To decorate their houses, Christmas tree, and also they are exchanging gift items, they are hanging the stars, and every peoples are doing the prayer in church. Okay, these are the question answers. So children, read your textbook proper, study the question answers. Thank you.